Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device OS and updating Instagram so apps behave predictably. Next, pick a reputable VPN, look for AES 256 encryption, no log policy, and servers in the country you need. Once chosen, create an account and subscribe if a paid plan is necessary. This ensures stable speed. Install the VPN app, then grant required permissions. When done, open the VPN and sign in. Connect to a nearby server for testing so you minimize lag, while verifying basic connectivity before moving to Instagram. Once connected, configure the VPN for Instagram use. Choose WireGuard or OpenVPN for faster, secure connections. Enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection so your traffic never exposes your real IP if the VPN drops. Turn on AutoConnect for untrusted Wi-Fi networks. Then select a server in the country you want Instagram to think you're in. If you need lower latency, pick a nearby city within that country. After settings, force close Instagram and reopen it so the app refreshes its network session with the VPN. Now verify Instagram reflects the new network. View location-dependent content, post a story, or open the Explore tab. If Instagram still shows original behavior, log out and back in or clear the app cache to force a new session. If access is blocked, try another server or switch protocol. Some IP ranges are blacklisted. Also check split tunneling. Make sure Instagram traffic goes through the VPN. If problems persist, enable the kill switch and restart your device. That resolves lingering socket or DNS issues in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.